Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I'm doing a fall look because it is now fall, and I wanted to go back and use the Utopian Dream palette that was just released a few weeks ago. Brown Girl Bella. Going to use Kiss lashes in the style Pompadour on the eyes. Now let's grab Mother's Dark Star mascara for those bottom lashes. So we can't forget Mother's blush, and we're going to use Electric Bloom, the Iniche Pro brush for that. Give it a lot of brightness on the cheeks. Why not? Although it's fall, you can still use this blush to add a little pop. Finishing powder, we're going to go back to Gucci and use their finishing powder. For the lips, we're going to use Deep Void by Mother Pat. So I'm going to combine her lip pencil first. Same color, Deep Void. And now for the lipstick. Ooh, yes, give me a vampy lip any day, all day. All right, throw on some earrings. And the look is complete. Here it is, a nice fall look with a nice vampy lip to match, all from Dame Mother Pat McGrath. So if you enjoyed this look, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. Until next time, you have now been Bellafied.